Welcome back to this Test Modeler 101 video series where we're going to take a look at test plans and scheduling. Inside Test Modeler, when we go in and execute tests, all results will be fed back into the Test Modeler portal. There's two places that you can find these results. The first place is, as we saw in the last video, within the model screen and attached to the particular path. However, we can also pass them back up to the high-level Test Modeler results portal. In here contains information about every single run, the execution volume, and an overall summary of how many tests have run, passed, and failed. This screen can be found underneath the Tests tab on the left-hand side here, and you'll see in this instance I've filtered for the last 5 days, and I've got a results summary here where we've passed 10 tests and failed 3 tests. And the further information can be found and traced down into the specific model and into the specific run as well. As well as running tests from the model, we can also publish those same tests to a test plan. This enables you to either run that test plan manually, on a schedule, or via an API call from some kind of external tool. This is particularly useful as part of a CI/CD pipeline, where you can set up and create regression suites to run on a schedule inside of Test Modeler. To do this, inside of our model, if we click Run, and then open up the automation settings, there is a tab called Publish, and inside here we can select, okay, I want to come in and publish these to our Orange HRM regression tests. If I go in, hit execute there, that goes away, it runs the automation, but what it also does is publish it to the relevant test plan. Now heading back to the Tests tab, in here we have test plans, and we can see that inside our Orange HRM regression tests, we have those 13 tests that we just published from our model. Once you have your test plan set up and you've populated it with all the tests you need, you can come in and execute them. Now, typically what people do is set up a regular schedule that allows your test plan to sync up with your development pipelines so that whenever a release comes out, we can automatically run the tests from inside Test Modeler, allowing you to then analyze the results of those test plans and the runs very, very easily. To set up the schedule, you'll see there is a schedule button here where we can click on this and it opens a small wizard that allows you to define a regular schedule. Now, if you just want to run the test plan in isolation, you can. Open up your test suite and go to the Run Test Plan button, and that will just run everything that's in there. Alternatively, if you just want to rerun failed tests, that is also an option. You can click Run Failed Tests and it will pick up anything that's failed and run them again.